Hello everyone, this is Marcelo with PNCC, and today we'll show you how to create a new Atlas session. First, in the TM user interface, make sure the inventory is done and all loaded cartridges are correctly identified. Next, go to the Atlas tab and click New Session. EPU will ask if you want to start a new session. Click Yes. Now, you need to set a session name. At PNCC, we name screening sessions with the project number, then screening and date. For the output folder, make sure to select Offload Data, then click Apply. In the Screening Task panel, you see all the slot positions in the autoloader. Today, we have a full cassette, so all the slot positions are available for selection. In the Atlas settings, we have two options. Start position. The default is close to center, which means the Atlas acquisition will start near the center of the grid. You can also choose close to current, which starts the Atlas collection near the current stage position. For this session, we kept the default settings. And regarding the number of tiles, this option lets you restrict the area covered in the Atlas. For example, setting it to 4 tiles would give you a 2x2 Atlas instead of a full 5x5 Atlas. OK, now select all the slots you want to collect an Atlas and then click Start. Then EPU will start loading the first selected slot, which is slot number 2 in this case. And once this grid is loaded, EPU will start collecting the Atlas. But what an Atlas is and why it's important? An Atlas is an overview of the grid, created by stitching images, called tiles, to form a map. This map helps us evaluate things like ice thickness, transfer contamination levels, or whether any grid squares are cracked or empty. It's a valuable tool to rank grids and prioritize them for future data collection sessions. The screening functionality categorizes grid squares based on their brightness and contrast. Similar squares within a set range will be classified with the same color. Once all the grids have their Atlas collected, EPU will finish the screening task. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, leave a comment below with any video requests or questions and we'll be happy to answer them. See you next time!